Hello friends, SchoolSteps.in welcomes you again. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to create watch faces. Watch faces in Android Wear are implemented as a service. So we will start with building a watch face service. Let's do it. So this is what we are gonna achieve once we are completely done with the analog watch face. Let's proceed. Open Android Studio. Give the application name as My Watch Faces. Click on Next. Choose phone and tablet from here and choose Wear from here. Make sure that you select API level 21 for the Wear module. Click on Next. Choose blank activity corresponding to the mobile module. Click Next. Next. Corresponding to the Wear module, you need to choose Add No Activity. The reason is that Android watch faces are created as a service. We do not need any activity for them. So you need to choose Add No Activity. Click on Finish and it will create a project for you. From the left hand side, expand Wear, expand Java, right click on the package structure, go to New, click on Java class, give the class name as Analog Watch Face Service, click on OK. It will create a file with the name Analog Watch Face Service. Now to create the watch face, we need to extend this class to the Canvas Watch Face Service. Next, we need to declare two variables. The first one is the string with the name tag and the value is Analog Watch Face Service. We'll be using it for the logging purpose. The second variable is private static final long interactive update rate ms, and we need to say equal to time unit dot seconds dot 2 millis, and we need to pass 1. So basically right here we are setting the value to 1 second. The next thing that we need to do is to override the method onCreateEngine. The method is right here and it belongs to the class Canvas Watch Face Service. Click on OK. It will override the method. The next thing that we need to do is we need to create a class with the name Engine, and we need to extend this class to Canvas Watch Face Service.Engine. You need to pick the second one. Now right here inside this method, instead of returning super.onCreateEngine, you need to say new engine, which is the class created by us. Next, inside the class engine, we need to override few methods. This one is the engine class created by us and this one is the parent class. From the first class we need to pick the method onDraw, and from the second class we need to pick multiple methods. Press Ctrl to select multiple methods. The first method that we'll be needing is the onAmbient mode changed. Second one is the onInterruption filter changed. Then we'll be needing onProperties changed, onTimeTick, onCreate and onVisibility changed. Select the required methods and click on OK. It will override all the required methods. Now click on Project. Under the Wear module, open the Android manifest.xml file. Now here inside the Android manifest.xml file, we need to provide two permissions. One is the provide_background and the second one is the wake_lock. Now next thing that we need to do is inside the tag application, we need to define a new tag with the name service. We need the tag service because Android watch faces are implemented as a service. So we need to say service. In the name, we need to define Analog Watch Face Service, which is the name of our service. Next, we need to define the label. Let's define it app_name. Third thing that we need to do is we need to define the permission and we need to say bind_wallpaper. Now inside this service tag, we need to define three metadata tags. Let me define it quickly. The first metadata is service.wallpaper. Second one is watchface.preview and the third one is watchface.preview_circular. So the resources corresponding to these three metadata tags do not exist. We need to create them. The first one is the XML/watch_face. Let's create it. Go to project. Under the Wear module, right click on the RES folder. Go to new and click on directory. Give the name as XML. Click on OK. It will create a folder with the name XML for you under the RES. Now right click on XML, go to new, click on File, give the file name as watch_face.xml, click on OK. It will create a file with the name watch_face.xml. Now all you need to do in this file is you need to create a tag with the name wallpaper and you need to define one namespace with this value. Save it. Now if we have a look at the Android manifest.xml, this error will be gone. Now next two things are preview_analog and preview_analog_circular. These two are the part of the drawable. That means we'll be needing two PNGs with the name preview_analog.png and preview_analog_circular.png, and we need to place those two PNGs in the drawable folder. Let me do it quickly for you. I have placed the images in the drawable folder. Let me show it to you. This one and this one, and these two errors are gone. Next, we need to make an entry for the intent filter. Here the action is wallpaper service and the category is watch_face. Here one thing I want to show you that for the time being I have put the preview images which are available with me. This is the second one. So our output is little different. In our case, we'll be placing 12 here, 3 here, 6 here and 9 here. So in the end of the tutorial, I'll replace these images with the real screenshots. One more thing I want to explain is this image will be used as a preview when the shape of the device is square, and this one will be used when the shape of the device is round. So friends, with this we are done with the structure of our service. Let's take a break here and we'll continue from here in our next tutorial. Thank you. Friends, with this I take your leave. Thank you so much. Please like our page on facebook.com/letsandroid. If you have any query, do write us at info@schoolsteps.in or schoolstepsin@gmail.com. Thank you.